how you help them. Don't let people take advantage of you. Like, if you feel like somebody's taking advantage of you, draw a line. Draw a line and tell them, no, it can't happen. It can't happen because I'm over here protecting my energy, okay? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Glamour Girl Slay, and I'm back again with another video. And this time, this video is going to be on just talking with you about protecting your energy. So, like, I decided to make this video because, as y'all know, I'm doing more motivational and self-care and then fashion and all of that stuff. So what comes with that is just like little messages and all of that good stuff. The message today is protecting your energy. How are you protecting your energy? A lot of the times I don't think that people understand that your energy is like you. It is a big part of you. It has everything to do with your self-care, because if your energy is all over the place, if you're around negative people, if you're around negative energy, you're going to feel negative, you're going to be negative, you're going to not have that positive outlook. You need somebody that's positive around you. Like, everybody needs that one person that's positive. It could be it doesn't even have to be somebody you know. It could be somebody that you just go to for advice and that keeps you uplifted, because right now we all need to have good energy because we're in the house. Some people are just, I don't know, y'all, like, just protect your energy. Like, I'm saying protect your energy because that is very important, and that's what I learned last year. Like, going into this year, I feel like I'm going to be doing that a lot more, because you can be around people and they not have the best intentions. And I mean family members. It can be family members, it can be friends. And like, I'm going to say this, like, let's say for like example, say you just got a new promotion or something like that, and then you're telling someone and then they're like they're not really happy for you. They're just like, like, okay, that's good, you know, but they not like really happy for you, genuinely happy for you. Then protect your energy from that person, because that person is not good for you. But like, say that same person, you tell them something like you just got into it with your boyfriend and y'all had a falling out, and then that person is like, girl, what, like, tell me the story, what happened, how did this happen, and all of this stuff. That person is not good for you, because a lot of people, a lot of times, like negative people, this is why I'm saying protect your energy. They will be there for you in times of like just bad things, but they won't be there for you with the good things. And you're sharing your energy with these people by being around them, thinking that they're there for you. That they're not good people. They're giving you advice and you're thinking that they're giving you good advice, but they're really not giving you good advice as a friend. They're just giving you advice that'll put you in a bad situation. You have to decipher who and who not to give your energy to. I'm learning that even it don't even have to be your family, your friends. It can be the person that you're in a relationship, their family, their friends can be negative, and you only deal with them out of love for your partner. But if your partner has love for you, then they're going to protect y'all's energy, because it's no longer your energy, it's y'all's energy. And to protect your energy, you have to let go negative people. You have to understand that you can't give your energy to negativity. You can't even try to help people unless they want to be helped. But if people want to be helped, then they would try not to be negative. But if they're still in that negative space where you talk to them, and every time you talk to them, everything is bad going on in their life, and they just want to talk about bad stuff, or they want to call you and they want to talk about some mess or something like that, and it's just always negative, it's nothing ever good. Protect your energy. Protect your energy, girl. Protect your energy, boy. Protect your energy, man. Protect your energy. This is for everybody. Everybody needs to protect their energy, because like, even on jobs, I mean, like, I'm just saying that that's a big part of life, and I never knew that it, like, how big it was. Like, it's just everything. Like, I would go somewhere and then I'll be in a good mood, and then there could be some random person that I don't even know or something. This is before I was protecting my energy. They'll do something. They'll be like something that's really rude. Like, say you're at a store, and then you speak to somebody and they're working, and you're like, hello ma'am, how are you? And then they're just like looking at you crazy. They don't even say I'm doing well or anything like that. They just look at you or something. Or if you're somewhere and then you're asking an employee a question, and then they just like, I don't know, like, or something, like with an attitude. And then I used to let that, like, those little things affect me, but I know that I have to protect my energy. So now anybody can do anything, and I just protect my energy. And I learned to do that. I'm gonna give you like some tips to protect your energy. If something does not coincide with being positive right away, leave it alone. Like, don't even what I've learned is not to even, I mean, if a person's talking negative, I learned not to engage in negativity. You can only do what you want. You can only do so much. A person's gonna only do what you allow them to do. So if you just people come to you with all their dramas and problems and stuff like that, and you don't never speak about how you feel, like if you don't ever, because you know how you have a friend or that one friend and they don't like the truth, and every time you try to give them the truth they catch an attitude and they get mad at you, then to keep from even having those conversations, be straight up. Like, you have to start speaking your mind to people, as like, because I used to think speaking my mind meant that I was being rude. So I used to always feel like I have to guard my, like, the way that I feel, I have to keep it inside to protect other people's feelings. But you can do that, and that's when you're not protecting your energy, because somewhere down the line people start to feel like you're just like a person that they can get over on. So they're just going to start feeling like, well, this person's going to take, and they're going to treat you like a person that's take, and they're going to take all your energy. So in order to do that, sometimes you have to speak up for yourself. If it's something you don't want to talk about, or something that you know, it's polite ways to say it. You don't have to be rude and say, girl, shut up, I don't want to talk about that. No, you can politely decline and say, look, I'm sorry, but let's talk about something positive, girl. I don't want you sad, I want to uplift you. So, and then change the subject or something, or just say, you know, well, don't let, like you know, just say something encouraging. Like, always try to be, I know it's hard, but always try to see the positive in everything negative, because when you start doing that, then you're going to slowly but surely, you're going to work on yourself, and then you're going to keep doing it to where your energy is going to be so protected, like off instinct. You don't even have to think about who you're giving your energy to, what you're giving your energy to, because you're gonna automatically know off reflex just not to do it, because you're trained at this point. You're trained to know that that's negative, I'm not doing it, and you're just not gonna do it. And the more you do this, you start to feel good. Now, protecting your energy doesn't always have to be with people and human beings. It can be protecting your energy with things like social media. Like, I had to stop like getting on social media every day. I had to start taking the time out to even get rid of those people that's on my social media accounts that's always bashing or talking negatively, or bashing women, or talking about people, anything. It could be anything. If I felt like it was negative, I'm like, oh no, what are you doing, baby? I don't want you on my account, and I'm taking you off. Or I'm just gonna refrain from my energy from being on there, because you see things and it's just not healthy all the time to sit on social media. So protect your energy with that too, because there's a lot of people on social media that are not themselves, and then you don't know what these people have going on in their mind. You don't know what stories that they do have, and you're allowing their spirits to come in contact with you, even if it's through a cellular device. So if they're negative, if you're negative, I don't want you. If you you know, and I'm not saying that to say that you're gonna have times where you can just like black out anything negative. No, protecting your energy is about protecting. It's about protection. It's about you valuing yourself. It's about you guarding yourself. So it's about you. It's all in what you do. So yeah, negative people is everywhere. We can't control them, but we can control us. So control yourself, protect your energy, and be mindful of the things that you consume into your life. Be mindful of it's another thing that I was gonna say that's really important. Be mindful of what you're watching on television too. Like I don't really watch a lot of TV, but I do watch a lot of Netflix and stuff. But I watch a lot of YouTube too, and sometimes they be having like sometimes where there's people and they'll make these videos, and I'm not trying to bash nobody because I'm a YouTuber too, I do YouTube, but sometimes they'll just be flat out negative. It's this one, like, I don't want to say names, but they'll be flat out negative, and they'll be talking about, like, you know, I know there's drama, and then there's blog sites and all of that stuff. You know, sometimes you might want to see what's up on the latest gossip, that's fine, but just don't engage in all of it. Don't engage, because I be seeing people that take stuff way too personal, and and then it really ruins their mood, it ruins their vibe, and they start just getting too serious. Like, that's why I protect my energy. I protect my energy. You won't see me sitting there talking about Cardi B, what, this, that, because I don't care about nobody else. I really don't. I don't care about what they doing. I mean, I'm not trying to sound rude, but I really don't, because 9 times out of 10, a lot of people just sitting there worrying about these celebrities. They ain't protecting their energy, and these celebrities, even though they have the drama, they still on top. You know, they still traveling to everywhere. They still going to Europe, they still going to England, they still going to Paris, they still living these lavish lifestyles while we just sit, well, not we, because baby, I'm not with y'all sitting on my phone talking about these celebrities all day. But I'm saying, don't be that person. If you is that person, and that, it's not good, it's not cool. Protect your energy from people, protect your energy from everyone, and that's not to say don't be nice. You can always help people, but be mindful of how you help them. Don't let people take advantage of you. Like, if you feel like somebody's taking advantage of you, draw a line and tell them, no, it can't happen. It can't happen, because I'm over here protecting my energy, because I done did that too many times. And now, y'all, I feel like peacefulness. Like, this has been like this started this year, and I'm trying to continue this whole 2021 like that, all the way into 22 to 2025. Like, I just want peace. I don't want really people affecting my energy, so I'm not gonna let them. And that's why I'm saying, protect your energy. If you have family members that's just bad, and they stealing and they killing, and you know who's bad, you know right from wrong, and they doing stuff like that, don't even have a like, don't even be around them. Don't be around them. You have to tell them, I'm busy right now, or whatever you got to do. Protect your energy, because if you're not protected, then you're not caring for yourself, and that's what this channel is too. Self-care. Care for yourself, okay? Care for your energy. And with that being said, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted whenever your girl do a new video. And as always, slay all day, slay period. And that's all I gotta say for this video.